Welcome to this walk around video of this BMW M240i. My name's Ish from Goldheart Automotive, and this is a 2018 M240i finished in Sapphire Black Metallic. Car is in brilliant condition, as we will go through. Some modifications as well, such as the carbon canards which are there. Really high specification, from adaptive lights, pro nav, Apple CarPlay, gloss black front grills, again adaptive headlights. Bodywork is in really good condition for a car that's done almost 50,000 miles. Alloys have been refurbished, and again they are in perfect condition. Carbon wing mirror caps, no stone chips on the front windscreen. Bodywork is really good on this side. Again, alloys freshly refurbished, all in good condition. Carbon M Performance tips, and another good option this car has is the M Performance back box. So that's a genuine M Performance back box, and at the end of the video I'll do a start up so you can see how it sounds. Carbon fibre rear spoiler, and the diffuser finished in satin black. Again, alloys all in good condition. Heading on inside, so in terms of specification, heated seats, pro nav with Apple CarPlay, gloss black interior trims, auto lights, auto wipers. Just in terms of what the car sounds like, so this is a stage 2 car. Stage 2 car with an M Performance back box. The car is cold, so I won't rev it too much, but just so you can get an idea of what the car sounds like. So it sounds really good. Just in terms of the history, so all the history is on the website. It's got full service history, 2023, 22, 21, 20, 18, 2024 is the latest service. So the current mileage on the car is 49,989. And the interior condition again is in excellent order. Also have Harmon Kardon, so the upgraded audio system. So really fantastic, genuine car, really good modifications, great spec, really clean, full service history. So any questions you have on the car, please get in touch with us. We offer all dealer facilities such as finance, warranty, part exchange, UK-wide delivery, and we also offer ceramic coating. So any questions you have, please get in touch and we'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.